Good evening, everyone. I am Sangeetha B from the Department of CSC IoT in SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. In last video, we have discussed about the ARM microcontroller and their instruction set. Now we are going to discuss about the programming ports. In last class, we have discussed about what are all the instruction sets that are available and how the instruction sets are worked when the flag is set in the 0 and the flag is set. Now we are going to see about the programming ports and the pin explanation. Introduction to GPIO, General Purpose Input Output, is a pin on IC integrated circuit. It can be either input pin or the output pin where those behaviors can be controller at the runtime. A group of these pins is called a port. Example, port 0 of LPC 2148 has 32 pins. Has two 32-bit general purpose IO0 input output ports. Port 0, port 1. Port 0 is 32-bit port. Out of these 32 pins, 28 pins can be configured as either general purpose input or the output. One of these 32 pins can be configured as general purpose output only. Three of these 32 pins, that is P024, P026 and P027, are or received. Hence they are not available for the use. Also, these pins are not mentioned in the pin diagram. This is the pin diagram of LPC 2148, and here for every pin there is an explanation. The next one is the pin function set select register. Almost every pin of these two ports has some alternative functions available. For example, PO0 can be configured as TXT pin for UART0 or as PWM1 pin as well. The functionality of each pin can be selected using the pin function select register. The pin function selected register are 32-bit register. These registers are used to select or configure specific pin functionality. These are 3-pin function select register in LPC 2148. Pin SZL0 is used to configure port 0 pin, that is PO0 to PO15. Next one is pin seal 1, that is pin seal 1 is used to configure port 0 pin, that is port 16 to port 31. Next is pin seal 2. Pin seal T2 is used to configure port 1 pins, that is pin 1 to 116 to P131. Next one is the fast and the slow GOP register. These are the 5 fast, also called enhanced GIO future register. The register and the flow registers are available to control the port 0 and the port 1. The slow register allows backward compatibility with earlier family device using the existing code. Shows GPIO register. These are 4 slow GPIO register, that is first one is the 32-bit wide ranger port pin value register. This register is used to read or write the value on the port, that is on port 1, port 0 and the port 1, but care should be taken while writing. Masking should be used to ensure write to desired pin. Next one is port output set register. It's a 32 wide range register. This register is used to make pin of port 0, 1 high. Writing on to the specific bit makes the pin high. Writing 0 has no effect. Next, third one is port direction control register. It's a 32-bit wide range register. This register individually controls the direction of each port pin. Setting a bit to 1 configures the corresponding pin as an output pin. Setting a bit to 0 configures the corresponding pin as an input pin. Next one is port output clear register. This is 32-bit wide range register. This register is used to make a pins of port low. Writing 1 to the specific bit makes the pin low. Writing 0 has a no effect. And this is an example of controlling the LED using the push button. That is, when the push button is in 0 while it is in 1, the light will be the turned on. When it is in the low, that is, switch is closed, the pin is in low, then the LED light will be offed. Thank you.